One of the key things that our team does when we come in to deploy a new solution is we know what the business needs. And so we always go through a reevaluation every time we come into a new client, and we look at what tools that we have, what we can build, and what's available on the market. And we always make sure that the evaluation's done that we, A, choose the best products or write the best products, but also that we go through and evaluate whether it's better for the client for them to purchase something that's already out there that meets their needs, or if we need to go in and build something because what they need isn't met by an existing tool. That way we're utilizing best practices, we give them sustainability, but also we're providing them the best value. When you have a knowledge sharing solution deployed globally at a large company, you have to be able to meet the needs of those businesses who are solving problems, and you have to be able to solve their problems fast because that's what they're doing. So now, not only do you have global connections worldwide, you also have interconnectivity between those global networks to make sure that you have a fiber and a framework that allows people to continuously solve problems without being siloed into one specific expertise. This is the best team that I've ever worked on. And the key to that is we are all open to suggestions and review. And when somebody's wrong, it's not a bad thing. It's good that we caught it and that we've solved it and that we've moved on to the next challenge. We are following all the rules set up by Microsoft, because if you don't follow those rules, eventually you're going to have a problem, whether it be a security problem, a server stability problem, a performance issue, slow load times on pages. Whatever it may be, if you're not following those rules, you're going to run into those problems. And every day we go through and we also double check on all of our code to make sure that we followed the rules and that it's reviewed independently. Then we go through a stringent regression testing on the code before we even move it into the client's environment. The next step would be to go into their test environment and then also run all of that code through all of their standards and testing and whatever they need us to do to make sure that it's going to work in their environment, but also we can get their sign of approval so that we know when it goes to production that they're going to feel comfortable about it as well. I go home every day knowing that if I need something or I need to rely on someone, or if I don't know how to find something, someone else on the team does. And it's not just within our IT team, with the SharePoint team. We also work closely with the other people on the business side of things on a daily basis. Everything that we do is constantly going back and forth between the business side and the SharePoint side to make sure that what we're doing is going to meet every bit of the need of the client. We have the expertise on our team to basically solve almost anything.